This year, the OHS Drama Department put together something they had never done before, a short play festival directed by 7 seniors.
7 by 7 is a collection of 7 short plays that 7 seniors in the theater workshop class all came together to direct, act in, do tech for, basically all things that need to be done for a regular show. We all got a taste of doing that, and then they all came together to create the night 7 by 7.
Usually we have a fall and spring play each year, and that's it. And we rehearse about every day after school except for Fridays for a few months. But this one, we've only rehearsed during school days, so it's a little bit different with the rehearsal process. It's a lot more in student hands than teacher-wise. It's a little bit more of a challenge, but it was definitely interesting to put on.
I finally got to direct a short play. I directed the one called Anniversary. It was really cool because not only could you see things from like a different perspective, but you also had the freedom to do what you wanted with your play, with your production. You could spin it a different way. You could tell the actors like, hey, let's try and take it in this direction. And just the more I looked at the script as a director, I found little quirks in there that like, hey, we can make this into something. And it was just really interesting because sometimes when you're acting on stage, you don't really look into that stuff. But when you're constantly just watching it over and over from the audience, it's a lot different. This is a collection of a bunch of different stories. All the stories are different. Some of them are sad, some of them are funny, some of them are really serious, and some of them are really lighthearted. And they all make you think a different way. And I think they all balance each other out just perfectly. And it's cool to sit there on a night and get so many stories and so many lessons all at once.
With Francis Laval behind the camera, I'm Brittany Coney for Channel 97 News.